now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body pink color, I see, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it's another vlog by me. So I've just done my morning routine. So I carved out a morning routine for myself to just help myself get up. And yeah, I want to boil this meat that I just had washed now. I have beef here, then I have shaki and all that inside the meat. This is everything. I want to boil them down and I want to cook 2 soups today by God's grace. And then I have this pepper that I just got washed. Tomatoes, I would just want to pack them. Yeah, I think that's all for today. So Zion is at home now, and of course you already know that the toddlers, you have to eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks in between. Sometimes we even wake up in the middle of the night and they say, mommy, hungry, food. So I just want to have some things on hand that will help me, and I won't get too frustrated and just wear my patience out. But yeah, but that's it. Let's get into the video.
I've been watching you from afar, as I can remember. You're all a real man to me, never just for me. This is love. This is more than a crush. Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body pink color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now you're like fuck Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you've been too tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need a main guy, your own fence. Don't kid money, these grown men. How do we come up, they sleeping? Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back and knees in. Bring them in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices I testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and you need to fall back.
Guys, you already know that gas finishes at the worst time. I need to reduce the volume, but you already know that gas finishes at the worst time. So I had to quickly take my shower. Let's go get gas. Let's go get. I swear, I'm not even sure I was going anywhere else because I'm so hungry. And you know, the last vlog I did, I told you guys I was struggling with my weight and whatnot. I got some messages. People didn't comment on the video, but I got some messages.
I going.
Yes, we're going now. We're going now. But people didn't like comment on the video, but they sent me messages. So
I going.
yes, we're going now. We're going now. So I've been, you know, applying. Let's go get gas.
The truth is fitting, cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold,
Come here.
maybe it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie.
I was saying that I've gone to buy gas. We came back from buying gas like a couple of hours ago. I can't say it was minutes. It's about 6:20, and I think we came back around to 5 or after 5, like a few minutes after 5. And yeah. So I was saying that the last video I did, like I was, you know, pouring out my heart to you guys and letting you know that I've been struggling with my weight, and you know, as just generally like staying consistent and everything. And a couple of people reached out to me. I mean, I don't know why you guys don't like commenting on the video, but please comment on the video. Like, it helps, because like YouTube knows that, you know, people watch my videos. YouTube knows that, you know, you guys are engaged and there are people that watch my videos. But yeah, that aside, a couple of people told me that, okay, fruits are really expensive, so what I can do is, you know, get like a bunch of vegetables, do that, and you know, just a couple of things. And so I took it very seriously, because I've not taken like an official picture of what I look right now, but like when I see myself, I don't like what I'm seeing, so something has to change. And then I did like self-reflection and everything, and then I realized that a lot of these things happen in my mind first, before, like, if I decide that, okay, I don't want to eat as much, or I want to eat some certain foods, and then maybe I make something else for my family, definitely I want to eat it, because I am a good cook, if I do say so myself. I am a good cook, actually, and so I want to eat from that. But I realized that before I get to that point of saying, oh, I'm going to take a spoon, something clicks in my head, like in my mind, and I just did like some self-reflection and realized that I need to work on what goes on with my mind and my relationship with food, my relationship with myself. Before I gave birth, I used to read a lot, but not self-help books. I've tried to read self-help books, and for some reason it was always boring, and I'm more of like a romance fiction kind of girl. But I got books, and I got Zion is sleeping. But I got books, I got self-help books, and they just they just delivered it. So yeah, so let's unbox it. I don't want to pay therapist. I remember one time I was like, oh, maybe I need to see a therapist or something to like deal with the things that I'm going through. But then when I, you know, found out the amount that therapists charge, I can't afford you guys right now. Yeah, so I bought it from 1K bookstore. I I used to get books from her way back, but I used to get like I said, romance fiction books. So I just went on her page. I got this. I've seen a couple of creators recommend this book. Creators and people that read a lot recommend Atomic Habits. Yeah, like I said, I did self-reflection and I realized that it's in my mindset, my habits, and the patterns. So I got these two books, Atomic Habits and this one. I'm going to start with Atomic Habits. And yeah, like I said, I don't want to share so much of. I plan to do a video maybe later on, just do like a quarter recap, because I know I told you that I split my goals into like quarterly goals, and I want to do like a recap to see if I did well or I didn't do well, because I truly believe in accountability, being accountable. I mean, at whatever age that you are, if you say you're going to do something and you don't do it, it's very important to find out why you did not do that thing, so that you can be better. I can be very like, once I'm not getting something, once something doesn't go my way, I just fall off the wagon and I don't care. But I want to change that, and I want to start with my mindset. Everything starts. I truly believe that everything starts from the mind. I watched the other clip and I think the light is clashing with it. This is Atomic Habits by James Clear. I'm sure a lot of people know it. And this is the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. So I'm going to start with that. She also puts in like this divider thing, which I'm very grateful, because I wanted to ask her if she has that. There are a lot of changes that I've made. If you notice, I got a smartwatch to track my walking. I've also not been consistent with that, but I've tried my best to do at least once or twice a week. I'm supposed to do it every day or at least 4 times a week, but there's a lot. But yeah, I will do another video talking about the changes that I've made. I don't know if making this video helps somebody out there, but this is me just documenting my process, so to speak, and you're coming along. But anyways, yeah, so I have a plan mapped out to read it, because like I said, self-help books are not my genre. So yeah, but I've eaten now, and I think I would read chapter 1 or like the first few pages of the book, and then yeah. But I'm in a better space now. So yeah. Thanks for asking. Even though people did not ask, but thanks for asking. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. I will catch you guys later. And Zion, we're going to the market to get, not market, like just want to get a few things outside. We've not been outside of the house since, so we want to get something like eggs, bread, and whatnot. But yeah, have you enjoyed staying at home, Zion?
Yes.
Did you enjoy staying with mommy at home?
Oh, see that's right.
Do you enjoy staying at home with mommy?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, guys.